how to find account number on PNC app. So if you're trying to find and locate your account number on the PNC mobile banking app, it's very simple. To find it, all you have to do is open the PNC mobile banking application, and you want to make sure that you're signed into your mobile banking account. So here you can tap on yes, I want to sign in option. Then all you have to do is to simply make sure to enter your user ID first, and then make sure to enter your password and log into your account. Then once you've logged into your account, select the account that you want to view, and then select account and routing numbers. Enter your one-time passcode to verify your identity if it asks you to. Then your full account number will actually be displayed there. You can also find the account number on the bank statements printed at the bottom of a paper check, or by logging onto the bank's website. If you can't find it in these ways, you can try visiting a bank branch in person. But hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.